Hello, Colin from Video Revealed here. The holidays are coming, so why not celebrate with a beautiful photo backdrop from the folks at BELECO. They've got tons of amazing holiday choices, or you can even use your own image. Take the family photo in front of this beautiful Christmas background. Here's the New Year's background that I got. Happy New Year! So much fun, really easy. There's a new material. This is the newer material. The other material can be up to 10 feet wide. This one is 7 by 5, but it doesn't require any ironing at all. We literally took it out of the package and fastened it with clasps to the wall. And I mean, look at it. It's amazing. I wish my house looked that gorgeous. So have some fun for the holidays. You know, imagine having your whole family in front of a beautiful scene like this. Get their photographs, get them now so you got your pictures ready for Christmas, holiday season, whatever you're celebrating. Have fun. It's amazing. Why deal with green screen that looks like garbage? You just put this up, stand in front of it. It looks beautiful, you look beautiful, and you can take photos or video in front of an amazing BELECO photo backdrop. Merry Christmas.